So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make another user account. So first thing you want to do is click on the Windows Start icon and then go to Settings and then Accounts, and then you want to go down to Family and Other Users, and right in front of you should have Add Someone Else to This PC. Click Add, and I don't have this person, so you don't want that one. Click this. Add a user without a Microsoft account, which is what you're better off doing, because you'll be logged in as your main one. So put their username there, put the password in, and then click Next. And it should ask you for their other information like date of birth. Click Next. And then you should have an account, and it should pop up there saying Joe Bloggs account there, and you can click on it and click options and change it to a standard user or an administrator, and that's where you can also edit it as well. I hope that helps you out.